You're watching RE&M, RBG TV.
Which knew his Lord's will. Which knew his Lord's will. And prepared not himself. Prepared not himself. Neither did according to his will. Shall be beaten with many stripes. Did you hear that? Stripes. That nigga that don't obey his Lord, that's his master, do you see? That there nigga shall be beaten with many stripes. Now many signifies a great many. 40, 100, 150 lashes. That's scripture.